The different length holders are available, so you can modify this to fit in what space you have available. I've used the 7 cavity on all of this. I have drawers from my sink cabinet that extend, and these stay clear of that. And this is also behind my reciprocating spindle sander. Cleaning this up is pretty easy. I just spray it with an air hose. I have made these with 3 mounting points to compensate for any irregularity in the wall so that you don't crack the plastic. Nothing flat about US lumber or plywood. The smaller bottles fit into the liners so they don't wiggle around. And these hold even smaller bottles. The size of this liner is given by the inside diameter that this will fit into. The different colors for the racks make it a little bit easier to remember where you put something, and it adds a little color to the shop. And being able to see the small parts that are inside the bottle is really handy. I've designed 4 different size holders for the pill bottles, the 3, 4, 6, and 7. This one is the longest that I can print on a diagonal on the CR10. The longest ones have 3 screws to hold it to the wall, and the 2 shorter ones use 2 screws. I consider this to be the standard size bottle I usually get. I have received a couple of these, not too many, and I haven't received these for quite some time. I think this one's been discontinued. But in any case, there's a holder designed to hold 4 of the large ones. All of the other holders will hold the standard size bottle. And the STL files for these will be on Thingiverse under my name, and the link for that will be in the description for this video. These are all designed for what I call the standard size bottle, and it holds those quite well. If I get the smaller bottle, it kind of wobbles around in there, and I have made what I call a liner that goes down in there, and then that holds that quite well. You can put a washer in there, and that will keep smaller bottles from falling through this hole. And there's a couple of other sizes, like for this Stay Bright Flux, it holds that in there like that. The liners are listed in the files, and they're listed by the inside diameter. All of the liners will fit this cavity. I print these in a contrasting color, so it's quite obvious that there's a liner sitting in there, and they poke right back out of there.